Dogecoin holders, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for popping back in. So when will Dogecoin really break out? As if we haven't already. I mean, you guys could see we're already up 213% in the last 34 days. That's the last time our momentum up triggered on XT Algo. That's my trading indicator, by the way. If you want to know when this happens, you want access to the same tools that I use to know when charts are getting ready to break loose. It's XT Algo, guys. There's a link down below. Use the discount code in the description. Sign up today. Get yourself ready. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee, too. For whatever reason, you don't like the product or you're not using it or life gets busy, full refund in 30 days. But I'm super confident you guys are going to absolutely love this if you add it to your Rolodex. Link down below to XT. So we've seen that it's popped up 213%, a little over a month. But in reality, we haven't really seen the start of it. We have major resistance that we keep popping up right on top of it, 41 cents. We did it here back on Tuesday, November 12th. We did it here on November 13th. We did it here again on November 14th. Then we came down for a little bit, and we did it again today. We popped up and tried to test that 41 cent level. Look, here it is right here. If we zoom in right here, take a look here. Okay, there's 41 cents right there. We just have not been able to close above it. We get up here really close, and we get rejected almost every single time. So Dogecoin holders, you guys need to know this. Doge will explode only when we blast through 41 cents. Then the floodgates really open. Our next resistance line's at 50 cents, but we don't have a lot of resistance there. It's not as strong as this 41 cent resistance. And this kind of aligns with Bitcoin right at about 100,000. For Bitcoin, it's at 100,000. For Doge, it's kind of right up on the precipice here at 41 cents. Now, it's not to say we couldn't break through it. Anything can happen in crypto, but there's a reason why we keep getting rejected here at 41 cents. A lot of the sellers are coming in here right at these levels. I mean, if we take a look at the market today a little bit, we'll bring this right back to Dogecoin because I got something to show you here with this article. But overall market, Bitcoin did set a new all-time high today. Dialed back pretty significantly here from 94K all the way back down to 92.9 right now. But new all-time highs yet again for Bitcoin. Absolutely insane. We are seeing some altcoins push, but nothing crazy. Bitcoin is basically back at being 60% dominant in crypto. It is completely overshadowing and outshining Ethereum right now. Will that last forever? No, I don't think so. I think Ethereum will have its day, but right now it's not. It's just not the season. It is Bitcoin season all the way. And Doge, honestly, follows more in Bitcoin's footsteps than any other top project. It's proof of work. It's basically the retail version of Bitcoin in a lot of ways, right? A lot of similar investors because they like the proof of work. They can mine it, right? So there's a lot of miners that are holding the floor on Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Very similar situation, right? It says here, Dogecoin's rocket ride looming. Experts cite new all-time high in the cards. Now, give you guys a couple different perspectives here to close out the video in terms of price action, where we could go, and all of that. So there's no doubt that interest in Dogecoin appears to be rising. And it's not even that it appears to be rising. All we got to do is look right here. I come over to Google search trend data, right? And we look at this quite a bit, actually. It's a really good pulse to have on the market at large. You could just, put any search term in here. You could even just put Bitcoin in here. And right now I've got it in at the last 90 days, worldwide interest. So that yellow line is Bitcoin. Look at the worldwide interest here in the last 90 days, starting in late October. Look at these pops. That's how you know we're getting into a bull season. Because if you zoom out here and just take a look at the last 12 months, there has not been a lot to talk about outside of March, where we had that little, bit of a bull run here. But look at this. I mean, we have exploded here just from November 10th to November 16th. Look at this. Absolute rocket ship upwards here for Bitcoin. So if we go back into the last 90 days, you could see this a little bit better. These are the lines for Dogecoin. We'll take Bitcoin out, so we could just remove this. And you could just see Doge and Dogecoin. Dogecoin's the blue line. Doge is the red line. Following very similar patterns. Look at Dogecoin's pop here on November 6th. And look at this, the last few days here. I mean, it has been just completely rising up. Slowed down a little bit, but coiling back up as we speak with all of the interest surrounding crypto right now. A lot of it's coming into Dogecoin because of Department of Efficiency too, right? Look, if you look at related queries, related searches, Department of Government Efficiency breaking out. This is worldwide too, okay? And you can see here for Dogecoin, the actual, full word, where it's been really hot, where it's been hotly searched, okay? Look at the United States, the Netherlands, Brazil, South Africa, Finland, all of these hotbed, India. So Dogecoin is getting a lot of attention right now, and we could track it in real time. That's what's really cool about Google Trends data, right? So there's no doubt it's not appearing to be rising. It is. Interest is rising. Now, as Dogecoin gears up for another leg, a particular trader has forecasted an impending price surge for Doge that could push the crypto past new all-time highs. And this prediction, we'll give you guys the breakdown here. According to the trader, Dogecoin has currently moved into the Fibonacci range between 0.61 and 0.88, a zone where Doge entered a consolidation phase for several weeks as a stage station during the 2018 to 2021 market cycle. In the event that Doge breaks out from this zone, the analyst is confident that we are bound for a rocket ride to basically new all-time highs. Keep in mind, though, there's a growing sentiment about this 41-cent level. And again, I'm not saying we're not going to break it. I'm just saying that's what we're dealing with right now. And I think this guy breaks it down perfectly here. I'm going to actually give him a follow. Dogecoin has not broken out of anything yet until it breaks the macro 0.786 fib cleanly at 41 cents. What he means there is we need to close above the 41-cent mark. Right now, it's just trading sideways until that occurs. And we could see that right here back on the chart. We have not had that close above 41. This was right at 40. This was right at 40. We're right there at 40 today. Now, it could change today. If we get back up over 41 today and close above it, that's going to be crucial. But that's what we're waiting for right now for Doge to really confirm the quote-unquote rocket ride that other analyst was talking about. Until then, obviously, we've already enjoyed a ton of gains. Hopefully, you guys were stacking your chips when Doge was 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents, when nobody was talking about it. And I hope you guys do give XT Algo a look too, because next time one of these cryptos breaks out, you can have your own customized alerts set up for whatever assets you want to watch and track. Even when you're on the go, you'll get an alert to your phone. Again, this is my company, XT Algo, came out with this indicator. We went and got the best guy we could find, guys. I spent 10 grand to have this thing made. I use it every single day, and I'm happy to bring it to market. And it's been out on the market now for over a year. We've got hundreds of people using this tool and soon to be thousands. And give it a look. Check it out. Link down below. Dogecoin holders, 41 cents. That's the key level we need to close above. We're going to continue to give you guys a bunch of information, bunch of news, bunch of alpha. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. It's totally free to do that. And I'm going to continue to give you guys all this free information every single day right here on the channel. So lock in, man. Strap in, because we are on a wild ride right now in crypto. This is what we've been waiting for. And this is our moment. So stay locked in. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.